Okay, something you might want to pick up is called a lockout kit. And a lot of times you'll lock your keys in your vehicle and you'll be like, well, great, now what? You got AAA? No, you're okay. You wait a half an hour or so. Somebody show up, help you out. You've got locksmith. You might wait a half an hour. One time I locked my keys in the vehicle. And yes, I had to wait an hour. And it was really weird. I actually locked the keys in the vehicle with the truck running. So I was like, great. And I waited almost 45 minutes for the locksmith to show up. And they just kept shaking my head saying, come on, guy, hurry up, hurry up. I'm sitting here idling. And I had no choice. So I finally decided I'm going to pick up these lockout kits. And they come with inflatable bags and, you know, different tools for prying the door open. And your bars. And I want to see, this is the first time I'm doing this. I haven't practiced or anything. And I want to see if I can actually get my vehicle opened. And because this thing is going to be worth its weight in gold. Now, I'm going to keep this in my silver boxes in the back of my truck. I'm not going to tell you everything about how I keep that protected, but I can get access to it when I want. So basically, if I lock my keys in the vehicle, I just open my silver box, pull this kit out, and I bought it because it is in a package unit. So I don't have parts flying everywhere. And just want to get the door open myself. So let's see if I can play around with this. Now, from what I understand, you don't want to wreck your rubber. I don't know. Nope. Need to get that in some more. Let's try going backwards. Ooh, that worked really good. Okay. Now you don't want to damage your rubber. That's inside. Okay, how about that? Force itself out. A little more. Do I have a smaller one? I do. So this one's a smaller bladder. I'm going to put the hose on it, which is pretty tight. See, there we go, between the rubbers. Okay, that might be enough. Now, so the question is, how long do I want to go? So I guess we'll go one length. And we'll see how that is. I do have another rod to go further. This is the handle. So I've gone with basically one extension. So I got the handle here, and then this is what's going to grab. So now this can now come out. Maybe I can go in the top. Not so easy. Can't get in there. that. So now, let me up there. Okay. And there we go. With mine, look at that. So that's the first time I've done it, and I had a hard time seeing it because I have a light inside the vehicle with my other cameras so you can see what I'm doing. But and the reflection was hard to see. But with mine, I didn't have to hook it. All I had to do was press down on it and it popped right away. So really, I probably could have got away with just this and this here probably. So there's a lockout kit. I'll have a link to the bottom of the one I picked up. And like I said, the one I picked up was because I wanted a case. I wanted it all together basically in case I ever need it. Now, if one of my friends posts on Facebook they've locked their keys in their car, I mean, of course, I'll say, hey, I got a lockout kit, I'll come see you. So it's nice to have the extra tools. But this is quite the investment. And between all the junk we buy, this really wasn't that hard. And like I said, this is the first time I did this. So I do this a couple more times. I'm sure it's going to be pretty quick and probably take me, what, a couple minutes? And now I'm not waiting on AAA or I'm waiting on some locksmith guy to show up. So there's a quick video on breaking into your vehicle if you lock your keys in your car. And catch you guys on the next one.